Well, days after the 2-year anniversary of the deadly January 6th insurrection at the U.S. Capitol, a very similar scene played out in Brazil. Police say they have taken control now of the country's presidential palace and National Congress and Supreme Court after thousands of supporters of former President Jair Bolsonaro invaded those buildings on Sunday. Those supporters demanding that Bolsonaro, who lost his re-election bid in October, be reinstated as president. This has a lot of shades of what we saw here on January 6th of 2021. So far there in Brazil, at least 400 people have been arrested.
Night, strange lights over South Texas. A new video captures the moment a bright flare flies through the sky. A local family says they were not the only ones to record the beaming phenomenon.
KENS 5's Sarah Duran talks to witnesses about what they saw across the area.
This is the video Kristen Allen recorded Wednesday after 5 in the evening. She captured it southbound along Boulevardy Road in North San Antonio.
Looked like it was going straight down, but very far away.
Allen sent the video to her husband, Ryan. He posted it on social media and found out.
Several other friends all over, South Texas, San Antonio, Hondo, also saw it.
Samantha Gonzalez shot this photo in Hollywood Park, while Christina Alexis recorded her own video nearly 60 miles away in Hondo. In her clip, the flying object appears to radiate a red glow across the sky.
The further, I think, west of here you went, the more visible that tail was on it.
The Allens aren't sure what the flying object is. Their two sons have their own speculations.
We kind of thought it was a missile, but not really. When I looked at it, it kind of looks like a plane.
Others online say it looks like contrail, the condensation trail behind aircrafts.
A friend suggested it might have been a flight, I think, from like Mexico to Germany here. So that may have lined up with that, with the timing.
The Allens plan to submit their video for a deeper analysis.
Yeah, definitely curious to know what it actually was.
Sarah Duran, KENS 5.
Investigators still don't know what caused that New Year's Day explosion that rocked a Port Richmond neighborhood. Meanwhile, people who live in that area, they are voicing their concerns. Eyewitness News reporter Wakisha Bailey joining us now live from Port Richmond, where, Wakisha, they had a meeting with officials last night. A lot of those people frustrated, wanting more answers.
Yeah, good morning, Janelle. It was a very heated meeting, as you just mentioned. Now we're several days into this investigation.
Smoke could be seen across the southeast as firefighters battled a massive factory blaze in Hallam. Workers narrowly escaped when thousands of litres of chemicals went up in flames.
Fireballs erupted from the factory in an industrial area of Hallam. Flames were leaping from the walls and roof of
An industrial fire at a central Wisconsin dairy plant caused significant damage after it was started in a room storing butter. The butter then melted and spread throughout the building in Portage. Fire crews tried to gain access from each end of the building to control the fire. However, heavy smoke and butter runoff stopped crews again and again.
We were trying to make entry behind us up the stairs, and it was 3-4 inches thick coming down the steps, melting. It melted into other areas. Fire stayed tight into the one room, but the smoke and that type of stuff spread to the other parts of the building.
The Wisconsin Department.
Сейчас и вот здесь, что называется, хочу поблагодарить прежде всего специалистов оборонно-промышленного комплекса, которые разработали и серийно начали производить это уникальное оружие. Как я уже сказал, аналогов ему нету ни в одной стране мира. Уверен, такое мощное вооружение позволит надежно защитить Россию от потенциальных внешних угроз. Будет способствовать обеспечению национальных интересов нашей страны.
Russian President Vladimir Putin announced Wednesday the deployment of a frigate armed with hypersonic Zircon cruise missiles, a type of weaponry he says has no analogs to the Atlantic Ocean. The ship, named Admiral of the Fleet of the Soviet Union Gorshkov, is deploying months after Russia's Ministry of Defense touted a successful test launch of the missiles, which cleared a distance of 625 miles. The ship is equipped with the latest hypersonic missile system, Zircon, which has no analogs. Putin said during a video conference with Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu and Igor Krochmal, the ship's commander, according to Reuters. This is a hypersonic sea.
Hey, back now to our top local story at this hour. An explosion earlier today, right around the noon hour in Council Bluffs. John Chapman went racing out to the scene when it happened. He now joins me live from 35th and Avenue G, where neighbors are still trying to process what happened earlier today. John?
Police still have the intersection of North 35th Street and Avenue G shut off to traffic. Investigators have been combing through what's left of this detached garage. You can see it's totally blown out. Debris was scattered on the sidewalk and out on the street. Now, people who live around here tell me they heard and felt the explosion from 2 to 3 blocks away. The explosion totally flattened a detached garage near 35th and Avenue G. Christina Thatcher lives 2 blocks away.
Oh my God, my whole house shook. Everything shook. Like I said, a transformer went out like a year ago, and it was even worse than that.
Same thing, yeah. But it's soon to begin. Oh, you living holy, oh, living your life of sin. You're in the end day. Welcome to the show. It says in my Bible, what's coming, don't you know? Oh, don't you know? Put on your makeup. Who's the one next to you when you wake up? There's about to be a shake-up. From heaven to hell, you know. Sing your blues song. I see military boots on. One will be taken, the other left behind. You're in the end days. Welcome to the show. It says in my Bible, what's coming, oh, don't you know? Oh, don't you know? 'Cause I've been talking to the people that you call your friends, and it seems to me there's a means to an end. They don't care anymore. And as for me, I can sit here and buy my time. I got nothing to lose if I speak my mind. I don't care anymore. I don't care no more. I don't care what you say. We never played by the same rules anyway. I won't be there anymore. Get out of my way, let me by. I got better things to do with my time. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. Well, I don't care now what you say. 'Cause every day I'm feeling fine with myself. And I don't care now what you say. I'll do alright by myself, 'cause I know. Cause I remember all the times I tried so hard, and you laughed in my face 'cause you held the cards. Don't care anymore. And I really ain't bothered what you think of me, 'cause all I want of you is just to let me be. I don't care anymore. You hear, I don't care no more. I don't care what you say. I never did believe you much anyway. I won't be there no more. So get out of my way, let me by. I got better things to do with my time. I don't care anymore. You hear, I don't care anymore. I don't care no more. You listen, I don't care no more. No more. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Mama, take this badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. I'm knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 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 Mama laid these guns on the ground. I can't shoot 'em anymore. That long black cloud is coming down. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. I'm knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. I'm knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. I'm knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
The siren sound, have you fallen asleep yet? I simmer down, close under your breast. A record spins all through till the daylight. I wake again, and you're still by my side. We may be falling backwards and feeling out to sea, hanging on for the sunrise, till we'll be wild and free. But with the world still shaking and you lying next to me, there's nowhere I'd rather be. Glow, never easy to leave it, 'cause nothing fits me as well as your arms. The dinner fight, the shadows at sunset, still close at night, with miles to go, yeah. We may feel under pressure, just floating helplessly, holding out for a pay rise. When we'll be wild and free. But with the curtain falling, you standing